Hey guys, my name is Mark Steele, the broker of record of Justo Inc. Brokerage, a real estate brokerage based out of North York, Ontario, but we do service all across the province. So today's video is all about you, the buyer, and getting ready for your process of purchasing your property. Now, the very first step is getting your mortgage pre-approved so you know exactly how much you have to spend on your next property. So we have 5 points in our ebook that you can find on the Justo Inc. website to help you determine what your mortgage broker is going to need. And again, we have all the resources that you need to be able to get your mortgage pre-approved, including a mortgage broker to work with you through that process. So what they're going to want to know from you is what your salary is for your current job, what type of employment you have, whether it's full-time, part-time, maybe you're self-employed. Next, they're going to want to know which assets you have available to yourself. Of course, they want to know your debts and liabilities as well. And most importantly, they want to know your credit score. Are you worthy to give a loan to, and will they be able to trust that you'll pay it back on time in full? So consider these points when getting your mortgage pre-approved. And again, the mortgage pre-approval is a very important part of the process, so you know exactly how much you have to spend on your next home purchase. So consider these points and find more detail in our ebook on the Justo Inc. website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. I'll talk to you very soon.